National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow from 1 a.m. Wednesday to 1 a.m. Thursday for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Franklin, Greene, Licking, Madison, and Union. Heavy snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches are expected. Snow is expected to develop after 1 a.m. Christmas night and continue through Wednesday before tapering off Wednesday night. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and snow accumulations. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a winter storm warning for Hancock, Wyandot, Marion, Morrow, and Knox counties from 7 a.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Accumulations: 8 to 12 inches of snow. Some freezing rain or sleet could mix with the snow on Wednesday. Some ice accumulation could occur. Snow will begin to spread northeast across the area Wednesday morning. Periods of heavy snow are expected Wednesday afternoon and evening. The snow will taper off from west to east Wednesday night. Winds will be northeast 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Heavy snow will make travel difficult Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night. The gusty winds from the northeast will also cause considerable blowing and drifting of the snow. There is the possibility that the snow can become mixed with sleet and freezing rain across the southern end of the area. Visibilities could be reduced to near zero at times from the combination of falling and blowing snow Wednesday afternoon and evening.
The National